I did something crazy in today's workout. Stay tuned and keep on watching to see what I just did. So first of all, I started with a regular RODLS. I did 10. So I'm going to be editing it. I'm going to be showing just three moves so that this video won't be long, and of course you watching it you won't be bored. So as I finished that RDLS, I just switched it down to squat. So I'm just going to squat. I actually did 10. I did 10, but I'll also be editing it. I'll be showing only 3, but I did 10. Then after doing the 10, I switched it up to the sumo squat. So you see me, these things that I used to do on my leg, I saw this trick on Facebook. Oh. It was on Facebook that I saw how to actually stand and be doing these exercises. So that's why you see me, if I'm doing it, I'll be spreading my legs, going about, well, let's say it's how many inches wide. So this is it. My legs are already paining me. Hey, to gain weight is easy, but to lose the weight that's where the work is, honestly. But anyway, I'll be trying. Every day I'm going to be showing up, except on weekends, that's Saturdays and Sundays. Take a break. So I started moving my body with some steps. If I'm making the move with my legs, I'll be shaking my hands and all that. All this some of these exercises I used to see in maybe 10k steps at home, all this kind of exercise. So this particular move, I saw it on Grow with Joe. So that's what you see me do here. So as I finished doing that, I was so exhausted. I now diverted to Korean dance. This is what losing weight actually did to me. So I now started doing this Korean dance, and once I finished doing that, I was damn tired. You can see my baby even trying to cheer me up. Now as I was hugging her, something now came to my mind, and I was like, let me just carry this girl on my neck and see if I can do those squats and all that, since I don't have a very heavy dumbbell. The dumbbell that I have here is 4.5 kg each. So while exercising, I only carry about 9 kg, and she's 14 kg. So I said, let me just carry her on my neck and see if I can do those exercises. And that is what you see me do. I wanted to do 10 again. I was like, man, you want your leg to break? And I said, let me just do it 5-5. So watch and see if I actually did that. Hooray to me, I actually did that. Maybe next time I'm going to increase it to maybe like 8, and with time I'm going to increase it to 10. So I actually did it, and I'm super proud of myself. Yeah, I'm trying to bring this girl down, and this girl refused this girl refused to get down. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, and also be kind of encouraging me in this journey. Don't you see I'm sweating? My legs are paining me. Tomorrow I will do it, okay? Say bye. Say bye. Tomorrow I'll do it again, okay? I need it again. Bye bye. See you.